Salsa Choreography, JALA JALA, Part 2, Salsa Combination. 1, 2, 3, left on top and swap steps. Let's go. Back, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Swap step, going backwards, back, 2, 3, transition to the wrist, so we can throw on 5, throwing downwards on 5, 6, 7. This is the lock on 7. Notice I apply a small pressure here to keep it locked. I can also put the hand underneath to lock, also possible. From here, it's already up. We're gonna give it a little bit upwards, and then we're gonna do 2 throws on 1 and on 2. Let's go. Throw, throw. Then we catch here, exactly. From here, if you want, you can change again to the wrists, not a must. We throw on 5. We're gonna start raising this hand upwards. Now as we transition to the wrist again, this is 6, 7, 8. We're gonna throw on 1 while opening for the crossbody lead, which would be 1, 2, 3, changing the hands. Swap steps, back, 2, to the wrist, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, stop on 3. Now, throw on 5, 6, it goes up, 7, 1, 2, 3, opening for the crossbody lead. Let's continue. So you're gonna step forwards on 5, you're gonna lead forwards with the right on 5, traveling left turns. We're gonna do 5, I'm gonna lead towards me with the right. This hand gonna unleash, underneath, unwind, and that's it. From the other side.
From the other side.
Yeah, from the other side. Swap step again. 1, 2, 3 to the wrist. Throwing down 5, 5, 6. Locking on 7. Notice the hand again. Apply pressure here. These are my fingers. This is her palm here. This is the pressure. It can also be down, under. From here, I'm going to throw down 2 times, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3. We're here. Girls, take your time throwing the hands. Now we're going to change to the wrist. We're going to throw on 5. At the same time, this is going up. 6, 7, 8. We're going to throw it on 1, opening for the crossbody lead. 1, changing the hands. 3, leading forwards on 5. Leading traveling left turn, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, left on top and swap steps. Let's go. Back, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Other side, second time, 1 basic. 1, 2, 3, left to left and swap steps. Let's go to the back. Back, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Throw, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Throw and switch. 5, 6, 7 to the back. This is for the second pattern. Let's do it fast. 5, 6, 7. 1, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 6, 7. 1. Other side, still fast. Go. 1, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 1,